Now we're entering the Duo Studio. So you come right in, and there is a sink.
Right when you walk in, nice
Right
little
across
sink.
from. Now this bathroom is a little bit smaller than the other ones we've seen.
You have a pocket door here too.
Yes, pocket door instead of barn door.
That's a cool little pop-out little handle. I've never seen that before. Interesting.
You have a little kitchenette area over here with a microwave, Keurig, and a refrigerator.
Little mini fridge down there.
You got a pull-down bed, which also is your couch. And then you got a little balcony. And of course, since we're on the water side, you got a pretty nice view. At least this room's got a nice view of the Polynesian. So obviously this is a fairly small room.
Hello, Disney. Hey, Disney.
There's your closet space.
How are you? Good.
And then of course, plenty of drawers, which you will need because your bed is a pull-down bed. But you get to chill on the couch during the day, and then you pull your bed down at night.
And you get a wonderful breeze.
Yeah, during this time, it is an amazing breeze coming through
I know
here
you can't
right
feel
now.
it on YouTube, but there's an absolutely amazing breeze coming
Yeah,
through
I
here
feel
right
like
now.
during certain times of the year, you can open those doors and it's going to be nice. So that is the Duo Studio here at the Island Tower.